When the sunlight fills the room, every corner starts to bloom. Tiny footsteps, hearts awake, every dream is ours to make. Every laugh and every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. Through the highs and through the lows, our adventure